Let's discuss question number 15. So what is question number 15? Just a minute. Yeah. Prove that sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x is equals to tan x. This is equal to tan x. We have to prove. Right. So let us write the given question. Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. Cos 5x minus cos x. So this is the thing we have to prove, right? So let's rearrange the terms sin 5x and sin x so that we can apply the sin c and sin d formula for simplification, right? So let us rearrange the terms sin 5x plus sin x together minus 2 sin 3x divided by cos 5x minus cos x. So these are the terms we have got rearranged. So now we know the formula sin c plus sin d is equal to, what is the formula for sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. And next formula that we are applying here is cos c minus cos t. What is the formula for cos c minus cos t? Minus 2 sin c plus t by 2 sin c minus d by 2. So let us highlight this in one particular box. These are the two formulas that we are going to apply in this problem. Okay. So let us apply this formula. Yeah. In the place of c you have 5x and in the place of d you have x, right? So simplify that. 2 sin 5x plus x, c plus d by 2 means 5x plus x, 6x by 2, right? 6x by 2 into cos 5x minus x, which is 4x by 2. 4x by 2 minus 2 times of sin 3x divided by cos c minus cos t. So what is the value of cos c minus cos t? Let's apply this formula. Minus 2 sin c plus d by 2, 5x plus x is 6x by 2, and sin c minus d by 2. This is like 5x minus x. So this will come under sin 5x minus x is 4x by 2. 4x by 2, right? Yeah. So let's cancel off the terms. 2 sin 3x cos 4x by 2 is cos 2x minus 2 sin 3x divided by, this is like minus 2 sin 6x by 2 is 3x into sin 4x by 2 is 2x. Let us take 2 sin 3x is common, cos 2x minus 1, cos 2x minus 1, right? And this is like minus 2 sin 3x into sin 2x, right? Can you see anything common here? Can you see anything common here? Yeah. What are the things which are getting cancelled? Please see. 2 gets cancelled and sin 3x will also get cancelled, right? So let us write the leftover part. So what is the leftover part here? If you take a minus common, we have like 1 minus cos 2x, right? In the numerator, if you take a minus common, minus gaani common teesinattaithe, this will become, the terms will interchange the positions, right? Yeah. And in the denominator, you are left over with minus sine 2x, cancelling the minus on both numerator and denominator. So what we left over with 1 minus cos 2x is a formula for 2 sine square x, right? 1 minus cos 2x is a formula for 2 sine square x, which comes in multiple angle formula. And sine 2x formula is 2 sine x cos x. So still we have got left over with terms, 2 gets cancelled, sine x and sine square x will get cancelled. Leftover part is sine x by cos x, which is nothing but tan x. I guess we have proved what they were asking us, right? So please listen to this. Please have a glance of the problem from the end, from the beginning. So here we have solved the problem only by using the two formulas from transformations. So first thing is like sin c plus sin d, right, which is like 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, and the second one is cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 and sin c minus d by 2. These were the only two formulas that we are applying here.